Good morning, good morning, good morning, beautiful people. I am up early and running errands. Guys, I'm so tired. I'm gonna need to just pamper myself now because I'm done with all the work. Okay. I don't know which video I'm gonna get first. I'll probably give you guys this one first and then just get into the whole Christmas tree decor and all of the good stuff. Guys, remember all videos are pre-recorded, so you might get this further down in a December based on when the video is edited, because you know, for record and edit is a hefty task. But yeah, I'm not sure which video I get first, and I'll probably see this first before the rest of Christmas decor and stuff. But guys, everything is in place and everything is going good and I feel good, and I just need to rest now. But I cannot rest because now I have to move to the kitchen and get, now we need to get the sorrel. We had sorrel and the sorrel done because I joke, and me and him drink it still, but we did have like a big bottle of sorrel. Lucy gave us some sorrel and we did draw them, but the sorrel done. We drink the sorrel morning, noon and night.
Good morning everybody on the vlog. How are you all doing?
I love to see in this color.
Yeah.
And I love red on you as well.
Thank you.
Yeah. So I need to get sorrel. Me need to figure out what me I cook for Christmas Day. Now I'm not hosting, me just a cook me nice little Christmas dinner. So I might do, babe, what would you want for Christmas dinner? A matter of fact.
That's up the name. Curry beef.
Beef?
Yeah, curry beef.
Me happy me ask you because me did I go do curry goat, but know that you said that?
You know what nobody need any about.
You want the beef?
Yeah man, I eat curry beef, it's always nice.
Me gonna make it possible, guys, cause Jason rarely talk what him want to eat. Him always say, babe, anything you give me that me want. So now that him say curry beef it is. Lucky thing me never order. You see traffic already? No, me not worry bake, guys. I was gonna bake a cake, but me not bother because mommy a bake. I'm happy about that. Soon come back. So we just make a stop on Nutsford and me I hope so everything come. Me don't know. So just not check it there. Boy, me not even want to look. What's that? How much package you collect?
4.
One way I gotta be disappointed. I don't know which one away. I just feel like I'm me. You know it's bad when we can't even wait until we reach home. Let me see them here.
No, my feet. If
okay.
Not ready for now. Watch this. Listen. If y'all think I'm not gonna get my package, yeah, listen.
Hey, I'll when me park, me have on seatbelt. Alright guys, so me I buy cinnamon stick and she said this are the Jamaican one and this are the foreign one. I never know that, but thanks for telling me. So me I take both. So this can go in my cereal too?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this we use, we don't know them here.
Okay, I never know that. Thanks for telling me. Smell good. Alright, thank you ma'am. Alright guys, the only thing I want to know are some pineapples and I'm good. So it's the pineapple here. Oh, I need coconut. I never remember so I need coconut. Yeah, give me that. How much for that? 300.
I get you.
Yeah, put it in there. No, I'm not ready for it yet.
Thanks for your support, yeah.
Look to the road for the corner, yes. I'm always selling them.
Alright. Alright. Hey guys, so I'm back at the market just in time because rain start drew again. Whew, outside was really wet, but me don't mind guys. Because me know when me go home, me not gonna have no time for showing these. Me are showing it from now. Me not think when I could hear the prices of the stuff them because me go mute it. Music that I play at the market. Anyways, I get some extras. You know why? Me need to make a jar, a green season, and me make a big jar, so me get some extra stuff to make that. So me get some scallion and thyme. Me get some sweet pepper. Cause me never have no sweet pepper from the last time I go. Cause me never end up getting a sweet pepper from Lucy. I get some scotch bonnet. I got some gungo peas because the green gungo peas one of these see me with. I put it in a soup and it done. Whatever is left back from Christmas dinner, it's gonna go in the freezer. I get some carrot. This have to make my pickle and my juice. I probably not even make no pickle and make juice with it. I got some beetroot. I get some ginger. I got some garlic. Guys, I get everything I'm going there for. Some tomato. Oh my god, me just love shopping at the market. I get some onion. So that's it for the bag here. I got a watermelon because me love melon. And when I buy piece, it just not last. So I take a big melon now. The only thing I don't know, oh, in it look. I don't know if it's sweet. I don't know what's happening inside of it. I get a coconut. I'm going to ox this coconut and cut it up and put it in the freezer. Because I'm going to use it to cook my Christmas dinner. Pineapple. Remember, I get the juicer, guys. I don't use the juicer all now. The little juicer I blend up, I blend them I use because I never have no time for record when I use the juicer for the first time. And Jason never did want me either. I didn't want him to see when I use it for the first time. And I didn't want to record it. And because I never have no time, I just blend it up. I made some juice, like the juice for me. I don't know the whole situation. I didn't make it, but I used the blender. Cinnamon stick. So she said that 1 year. The Jamaican one, smells good. I just not love when the powder they on my food, the cinnamon powder and the 1 year. So the 2 type. And then onto the next bag. I got some sorrel. 1 pound, 1 pound. So 2 pound of sorrel. I should think that will be enough. And I got some green plantain. Green plantain will serve no time in a food house. Some green plantain and some ripe plantain. Yes guys, so that is it for today's video. We're gonna go home now. I think I just need to stop and grab one last thing and then that's it. I'm done.